Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. So our today topic is C++ operators. Okay, so let us see what is the C++ operators. Okay, so before going to the C++ operators, if you are new to my video and if you want to learn C++, you can go to my channel playlist. In channel playlist you will find a different playlist. For example, if you want to learn C++, you have a C++. Okay, so if you find C++, then the videos in the playlist are in English. Suppose if you find the word or a key C++ in Telugu, okay, then the videos in the playlist are in Telugu, right? So you can learn different subjects. For example, if you want to learn DBMS, if you want to learn C language, C++, Python, Excel VBA, so there are different playlists are available in my channel. You can go through that and you can learn, right? So let us move to our topic. So our today's topic is operator, C++ operators. So what is a C++ operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulation. So what you are saying here? Operators are symbols. Okay, for example, plus, minus, like this. Okay, so C++ is rich in built-in operations and provides following types of operators. So there are several operators. Have taken the 6. Okay, so there are other operators. So mainly I have taken the important operators, which are arithmetic operator, unary operator, relational operator, assignment operator, logical operator, and ternary or conditional operator. So let us see one by one. So let me start with the arithmetic operator. So what is an arithmetic operator? Okay, the word itself says the everything. Arithmetic, everybody knows addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and right. So let us see what is this arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators in C are the basic operators which are used for a basic mathematical operations on operands. Okay, so the operators are essentially for performing calculation and manipulation data with a program. So first let us understand what is operations and what is operands. For example, A plus B, A and B are operands and plus is the operation. So that's why what you are saying, mathematical or arithmetic operations on operand, right? So it can only perform on an operand, remember, right? Okay, so these operators are essential for performing calculations and manipulations data within a program. So let me explain what are these operators. So firstly, there are 5 arithmetic operators. What are they? Plus, nothing but addition or add. Minus is nothing but a subtraction, or we can say difference. Okay, asterisk symbol we use for multiplication, and slash symbol we use for division. Single slash is used for division, and double slash we use for a comment, remember, right? So a percentage symbol is used for a modulo, that is nothing but a reminder. Okay, so now let us assume A holds value 10 and B holds value 20, right? Now what is A plus B? The answer will be 30, right? Suppose if I say A minus B, that is 10 minus 10, how it will come? For example, A is 10, B is 20, 10 plus 20, 30, 10 minus 20, of course, minus 10, right? So 10 into 20, yes, 200, and 10 divided by 20 divided by 10, the division is 2, and 20 divided by 2, remainder is 0. Remember, the difference between 2 is one is the dividend and one is the it will divide and dividend, and another will show the remainder, right? Okay, so let us take a small program. So I have taken as a int a b. So remember, I have taken integer only takes it will not take the decimal value. Okay, it will only holds the value which which is integer, which is positive or negative number, right? So A is equal to 7, B is equal to 2, right? Okay, right. Now if I say count A plus B is equal to A plus B, so what is the result? Result will be 9. See, 7 plus 2, of course 9, and A minus B, 7 minus 2, of course 5, and A into B, that is 7 into 2, 14, and A divided by B, that is 3, right? So how 7 divided by 2 means 2 3 is 6, and remainder will be 1. See, A modulo B is nothing but a 1, so remainder will be 1, and division will be 3, right? So let us see the same as a program. Okay, so let us see a small program. I'll take the same program, so it will be, if the same program, you will not get confused, right? Okay, Now we are in the Dev C++. So I have taken the same program, right? So a comma b, a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 2, right? Now let us see how this will work. Okay, so let me save this one first. Okay, already saved, right? So compile, right? No, zero warning, zero errors, no issues, right? So let me run the program and check the answer, right? Now you can see the answer, right? See, a plus b is equal to a plus b. What is a plus b? 9, right? A minus b is equal to a minus b. What is a minus b? 5, because 7 minus 2 is 5, right? Okay, so a into b. What is a into b? 14, because 7 into 2, 14. A divided by b. What is a divided by b? 7 divided by b is equal, 7 divided by 2 is equal to what it is? 3, right? And remainder is 1. A modulo b is equal to 1, right? So got? So okay. So let us move to the next one. Our next operator is unary operator. Unary operator is also part of arithmetic operator. Okay, so only difference between arithmetic operator and unary operator is arithmetic operator where you will have two operands. For example, a plus b, b minus a divided by b. But in unary operator, unary, the word itself says that it is single. Okay, so single operand will be there. Operator will be as usual plus plus and minus minus. Okay, so here we have a 2 minus, but because we don't have any space, so it is looking like single minus, right? So there are two operators, as we said, plus plus, minus minus. What is plus plus? Plus plus is increment operator, minus minus is decrement operator. Okay, so what plus plus will do, it will increase integer value by 1, and what minus minus will do, it will decrease the integer value by 1. For example, if it is a is equal to 5, a plus plus means 6. So what is happening here means a plus plus is nothing but a is equal to a plus 1. Okay, same way a minus minus, what is a minus minus? A minus is nothing but a is equal to a minus 1. So it will increase by 1 and it will decrease by 1. So let us see a small program. Okay, right, you can see here I have taken a is equal to 10, and when I say a plus plus, what it is happening, a is equal to a plus 1, right? And when I print a value, see what it is saying, the value of a plus plus is 11, right? And if I write a minus minus, then a is equal to a minus 1, right? So let us see a small program so you can understand easily, right? Now again we are in the Dev C++, so I'll take the same program. Just now we have seen as a small program, right? So same program I have taken, right? So let me compile the program, no issues. Let me run the program. Okay, when I run, see, a value of a plus plus is 11. Why it is 11? Because what we have done, a is equal to nothing but a plus 1. See, a is equal to nothing but a plus 1. Suppose if I write a minus minus, so what will be the a value? Here I will write here I will give an example. A is equal to a minus 1. So what it will happen, right? So it will decrease by 1. That means a value will be 9 now. So let me run this one. So let me save first. Okay, save and compile, no errors. Let me run. See, a is equal, actually it should be written as a minus minus, the value of a minus minus. Okay, so let me run again. Once again, let me save and run, right? See, the value of, okay, again it didn't save properly, so let me once again save it, a minus minus, right? Let me compile it. Now let me run. Right, now you can see a minus minus, so value of a minus minus is 9, right? So where there is a difference in the a plus plus and a minus minus. For example, if you have, so let me explain this one. If you have a plus plus is different, plus plus a is different. Okay, so there are again a plus plus and plus plus a. For example, instead of writing here, if I write directly here a plus plus, right? So what it should print, it should print as what it should print? It should print as 11, right? But it will print as 10. So let me explain why it will print so, right? Same program we are writing directly, right? Compile and let me run. See, now it is still showing 10. Why? Because first what it is doing, it is printing the A, then it is increasing the value. So instead of the plus plus, if I do with the plus plus A, instead of writing A plus plus, if I write plus plus A, what plus plus A will do happen means it will first increase, then it will print, right? So what will happen? It will increase first, then it will print, right? So let me run this one also. So let me save. Okay, so let me compile and then let me run, right? So this time it is showing as 11. Same happens with the minus. For example, if you are taking minus value, right? So again I will do the same. If I directly write A minus minus, it will print 10, then it will decrease. So save, compile, run. See, still it is showing as 10. A minus minus value is 10. Suppose if I write minus minus A, so what happens? First it will decrease, then it will print, right? So let me save, let me run, compile, let me run. See, A minus minus is 9, right? So I hope you have understood the difference between A plus plus and plus plus A, right? And the same way A minus minus and minus minus A, right? Okay, so let us move to the next one. The next operator is relational operators. So relational operators are used to compare two values or two expressions. Okay, so the operator returns a boolean value. What do you mean by boolean value? Boolean means 2. Okay, so it has two values, true and false. That is nothing but a 1 and 0. If it is true, it is 1. If it is false, it is 0, right? So remember, if it is true, it is 1, and if it is false, 1, right? So there are essential these are essential for making decisions and controlling the flow of a program based on condition. So whenever we use the conditional operators or conditions, we can use this relational operator. So what it will do, it will give you a result. For example, you want to check which number is greater than, which number is less than, whether both the numbers or both the operands are same. So to check this, we required again these relational operators. So what are the relational operators? There are 6 relational operators. So equal to, why we use double equal to? Because already single equal to we use for assign operator, so that's why we are using double equal to. Okay, so it will be confusion if you use a single operator. So C++ has provided a double equal to. Okay, so double equal to and not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, right? For example, if I write 3 equal to 5, the value whether 3 is equal to 5, no, false. So what you will get the result? You will not get the false directly, but you will get the result as 0, right? So 3 not equal to 5, yes, so result will be 1. So it will show the result in 0 and 1. Okay, not false and true, but in place of false and true, it will show the 0 and 1. Okay, so 3 is it greater than 5? False. 3 is less than 5? True, yes. So 3 less than equal to 5, so 3 is greater than equal to 5? False. 3 less than equal to 5? Of course it is less than. So any one, if it is true, then it is true. If it is equal to or greater than or less than, any one. Okay, so if it is greater than equal to any one, if it is true, automatically it will show as true. Okay, in this also, if any one is true, automatically it will show as true, right? So let us see with a small program. For example, I have taken directly 3, I have taken A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5, right? So 3 equal to 5, you can also directly write if you want. You can doesn't need to take a separate variable, you can also directly write the value. Okay, 3 equal to 5, false, right? So in place of false, it will show as 0. 3 not equal to 5, true, so it will show as 1. So wherever it is false, it will show as 0. Wherever it is true, it will show as 1, right? So let us see this program, right? So now we are in the Dev C++. So same program I have taken. So let us run and check the answer, right? So let me compile right, 0 errors, 0 warnings. So let me run the program. Right, now you can see 3 equal to 3, is it true? No, so 3 equal to 5, is it true? So in place of 3 equal to 5, indirectly I have kept a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. Okay, so 3 equal to 5, false, so it is giving 0. So 3 not equal to 5, yes, true. So when it is true, it is giving 1, right? So 3 greater than 5, yes, 3 greater than 5, false. 3 less than 5, true. 3 greater than equal to 5, false. 3 less than equal to 5, true, right? So wherever there it is a where true, it is given as, it will give as 0, and whenever it is will give whenever it is true, it will give as 1, and whenever it is false, it will give as a 0, right? Right. So let us move to our topic once again. Our next operator is assignment operator. So assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. This operator allows you to set or update the values stored in a variable. Okay, so these are the following assignment operators supported by the C++ language. So what is assignment operator? Generally, assignment operator, for example, a is equal to 5. So equal to is an assignment operator actually, right? So not only with the value, it will also assign the value in the operand. For example, if I write a is equal to b is equal to 5 and a is equal to b, automatically the b value 5, automatically a will also become a 5, because it is storing the value which is stored in the b, right? So a is equal to b means automatically a will also become 5, right? So what is assignment operator? Is it will assign the value to a variable, right? Okay, so of course you know a is equal to b, right? Now there is another there are some other assignment operators which is a combination of arithmetic operators. Okay, so for example, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, divide equal to, module equal to. Now what is this, what kind of assignment operators these are means? Just simple. Okay, for example, if I write a plus equal to b, that is a equal to a plus b. So remember, for example, if I write a minus equal to b, it is a equal to a minus b. So only thing happening with the assignment operator is you doesn't need to write same variable twice. For example, if you want to write a is equal to a plus b, you doesn't need to write a for twice. You can just say a plus equal to b, right? Same way, if you want to write a equal to a minus b, you just write a minus equal to b. That means you can you doesn't need to write same variable twice. The only difference we have with the assignment operator and arithmetic operator and assignment operators. Okay, so arithmetic operators are used, okay, in the assignment operators. So let us see a small example, you can understand easily, right? Okay, so for example, see, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5. If I say a is equal to a plus b, what will be the answer? A is equal to a plus b is, what will be the answer? The output will be 8, right? Same way, if I write in place of, okay, so in place of a is equal to a plus b, if I write a plus equal to b, then also the result will be same. Let us check. Right, now you can see I have taken a plus equal to b, that is nothing but a equal to a plus b, right? So 3, 5, what is a equal to a plus b? A is equal to 3 plus 5, that is nothing but a 8, right? So now instead of a is equal to a plus b, I have taken a plus equal to b. So let us see whether we will get the same result or not, right? Okay, right. So I will just change this one also. So I will just change a is equal to, right, compile, no errors, right, very good. So let me run the program, and you can see a plus equal to b is 8. Okay, sorry, 8. That means a equal to a plus b, 3 plus 5, that is 8, right? So if I say, suppose in place of a plus, I will write a is equal to a plus b, then also result will be same, right? Let us check. A is equal to a plus b, directly I am writing a is equal to a plus b. So let us check. Let me compile and let me run. See, I got the same answer, right? Same with a minus Okay, so say a minus, for example, a equal to a minus b, what will happen? A equal to a minus b, 3 minus 5, that is nothing but a 2, right? So let us do the same. So I'll just say a minus equal to b. In place of a is equal to a plus b, I have kept a minus equal to b. So here also I will change a minus, right? So let me run this one, save, and let me run, right? So let me compile, let me run. Okay, see, you got the minus 2, right? Sorry, actually it's a minus 2. 3 minus 5, the answer will be minus 2, right? So I hope you have understood what is assignment operators, right? Coming to our next, logical operators. Now what is this logical operator? Logical operator are used to check whether an expression is true or false. Okay, if the expression is true, it will return 1, whereas if expression is false, it will return 0. Same. Okay, the only difference is we have 3 logical operators: and, or, not. For example, if expression 1 and expression 2 are true, then only it will return true. Okay, so if expression 1 and in the or, what happens? If expression 1 or expression 2, any one is true, it will return true. See, here both them should be true, otherwise remaining are false. In the expression in the or, if both expressions are true, then only it will return as, if both, once again let me repeat. So in and, logical operator and, if both them are true, then only it will return as true, otherwise it will return as false. For example, true false, it is a false. False true, false. False false, false. If it is true and true, then only it is a true, right? But in the logical operator, if any one is true, for example, true false also it is true, false true also it is true, true true is also true. If it is both of them are false, then it will return as false. So here, if both of them are true, then only it will return true. If both of them are false, then only it will return as false. So remember that. Or any one is true, it will return as true, right? Okay. Last one, not. Not is nothing but a reverse. For example, if it is true, expression is true, if you say not, it will show you the result reverse. That means true. Sorry, if it is true, it will show as false, and if it is false, it will show as true, right? So let us see a small program. Okay, right? So for example, I have taken M1, M2, M3, 3 marks I have taken. So here pass is equal to 1 and fail, okay, fail is equal to 0, pass is equal to 1 and fail is equal to 0. So the result is, so how we are checking the result means, for example, let us assume marks. Okay, so marks should be greater than 35, then only we should give as a pass. That means all the subjects, M1 should be greater than 35, M2 should be greater than 35, M3 should be greater than 35, then only we should return as pass. So if this condition is true, automatically what it will show? 1 means here pass, that means true. If any condition fails, what happens? It will show as 0, that means fail. That means the candidate has failed in any one of the subject, right? So now let us see how this will work. Okay, for example, if I give 60, 50, 50, what will be the answer? The answer will be, see, the result is 1, that is nothing but a pass again, right? So result is 1, that is nothing but a pass. So let us see same in the program, right? Now we are in the Dev C++. So let us see how this program runs. Okay, so let me save, let me compile, and let me run. So what will be the result? Actually, result should be 1 actually. Okay, so why 1? Because see, M is greater than 60, M2 is greater than 50, M3 is greater than 35. Sorry, M1 is greater than 35, M2 is greater than 35, M3 is greater than 35. So then automatically the result of M1 greater than 35, M2 greater than 35, M3 greater than 35 is, of course, it is true, right? So that means pass. So let us see. So let me compile and let me run. See, the result is 1, that is nothing but a pass. Now let us change the value and let's check. Okay, for example, I will just change 50 into 30. Okay, so M2 failed now. So automatically the condition will fail, right? So if anyone is false, automatically the condition is false, right? Okay, let us see. So let me save, let me execute. Let me run. See, now result is fail. Why it is showing fail? Because the marks M2 got 30. Right? Now let us check how OR will work. Okay. So what I will do, I'll just change the condition. The condition is, okay, condition is, for example, if any one subject a student pass, he should be promoted. Okay, so I'll just keep promoted, okay, and detention, okay, or detained, okay, so not detention, detained, okay, detained, right, promoted, detained. So what I have done, see, or what do you mean by or? Means if a subject, if a person fails in one subject, okay, two subjects, okay, if he fails in three subjects, then he will be detained. So here or means all the three conditions should be false, then only it is false. Otherwise, if any condition is true, automatically it is a 2, right? Okay, so what I will do, I'll just change M1 as 25, M2 as, okay, so let me check this one, compile, and let me run. Right, see what it is saying, result is 1, that means true. Why? See, in OR, if any one is true, automatically it is true, right? In AND, any one is false, automatically false. So remember that one, right? Okay, right. So reverse, what I will do in here, I will just say not. What I will use? I will use not operator. Okay, what is not operator? Not is reverse to the true. Now we have seen the condition is true, right? Okay, if I keep not, what happens? Let us check that one, right? So again I will save, compile, and execute. See, now result is 0. Why result is 0? Even he failed in, even he passed in 50, what happens? Now it is reversing the condition. That means even if it is true, you kept not what it is doing, it is reversing the result. For example, if it is true, it will show as false. If it is false, it will show as true. Okay, that is nothing, that is the not function. Okay, so not function, what it will do, it will reverse, right? Okay, our next operator, ternary operator. Now what is this ternary operator? Ternary operator contains 3 expressions: expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, and in between expression 1 and expression 2 we use question mark, and in between expression 2 and expression 3 we use quotation. Okay, so colon, okay, not quotation, colon, right? So now what is this ternary or conditional operator? Means it will check the expression 1. If the expression 1 is true, it will print expression 2, otherwise it will print expression 3, right? See, if expression 1 is false, then it will expression 3 will execute. So what you are saying, so expression 1 is true, then it will execute expression 2. If expression 1 is false, it will execute expression 3. That is just like a if condition, right? For example, I take a small program. See, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, right? So what you are given condition, result is equal to, what is the result? A greater than b. Suppose a is greater than b, that means a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, right? So a is greater than b, a is less than b, a is less than b. So result, what it will be, it should take b, right? So this is expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. So what it will take, result as, result what it is, 3, and what it is, it will print, result will be 4, b is 4, right? So what is the result? See, once again I will explain, okay. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, okay. So what is the condition? If 3 is less than 4, what it should take? B, okay. So a less than b, it should take b. If a is not less than b, that means if condition fails, it should take a. So now the greater number is result. That is, what is the result? Again, the result is 4. So let us see a small program, we can understand easily, right? Okay, coming back to this C++. Okay, so see again, I've taken a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, and I will change the result. Okay, so I will change the value in the next execution. Okay, and I will show present a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. That means if the condition is true, it will take first one. If condition is false, it will take second one, right? Okay, So let me run the program, execute, compile, and let me run. Right. So if I run the program, see the greater number is 4, right? Okay, for example, if I take 5, what happens? See, 5a less than b, that means 5 less than 4, false, right? So instead of taking first value, what it will take as second value. What it will take? It will take the second value. So result will be second. What is the second value? 5. Now check, let us check this one. Compile, run. See, the greater number is 5. That means if the current expression 1 is 2, it will take expression 2, otherwise it will take expression 3, right? So friends, hope you have understood the video, and if you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.